What's happening, guys, and welcome to Finance Ninja. In today's video, we'll be telling you guys how you can get paid $55 per hour by watching videos. Let's get started right away. Do you find yourself getting sucked into watching online videos even when you know you should be doing other things? Maybe your habit isn't as bad as you think it is. Instead of beating yourself up for being unproductive, why not make money while watching videos in your spare time? Yes, guys, it is indeed possible to get paid while watching videos online, and this article will show you how to do it. Number 7. Can we make money in the comfort of our homes? Have you ever wondered whether or not you can make money in the comfort of your own home just by watching videos? Some people out there may view this habit as being bad and unproductive, but maybe it doesn't have to be that way. What may appear to be unproductive or even a wastage of time might help you make some decent cash along the side. It does seem impossible when we say this, but let us tell you that it isn't. In fact, you can earn a good amount of money just by watching videos and nothing more. There are certain websites that provide this opportunity for you. However, you do need to keep in mind that you're not going to be filthy rich with this scheme, but you can still earn a bit of extra dough and treat yourself with it. With that being said, here's our list of the most legitimate options, as well as what sites to avoid, plus some tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings. Number 6. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is the internet's most popular rewards program that gives you gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Having paid out over $450 million worldwide, the site lets you watch videos to earn points, which are called Swagbucks or SBs for short. Each SB is worth about 1 cent, and there's no minimal withdrawal amount. Most rewards start at $3. The payment options include gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, and real money which is sent to your PayPal account. The topics for the videos are diverse, including entertainment, travel, and more, and you can pick what interests you the most. The site also gives you the chance to make money by taking online surveys, through cashback shopping, and a whole lot more. There's even a $10 bonus for signing up, but it's only earned after you spend at least $25 at a store through Swagbucks shop. There's no sign-up bonus for only watching videos. Swagbucks easily tops our list thanks to its wide variety of ways to earn, its low minimum cash out, the quality of its online video content, and its stable reputation. You can get paid to shop online, watch videos, take surveys, and play games with this all-in-one reward site. Redeem your points for gift cards and PayPal cash starting at just $3. So, what are you waiting for? Number 5. Inbox Dollars. One thing you need to know about this website is that it pays you in cash and not in points. You can watch television shows, movie previews, cooking commercials, and so much more. One interesting fact that you should know is that Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars are both owned by the same parent company. You can also earn extra money by taking online surveys, reading emails, using their cashback shopping portal, and redeeming their printable coupons. Not only that, the site has a very good reputation, having paid out over $59 million in cash rewards to its members, and both its iOS and Android apps have solid ratings from over 100,000 reviewers on each platform. However, do keep in mind that you can only get paid to watch videos via your desktop browser, but not in the apps. You'll get a $5 bonus upon signing up and activating your account. Unlike Swagbucks, however, there's no requirement to use the Inbox Dollars cashback shopping portal to earn this bonus. Note that the one downside to Inbox Dollars is its $30 minimum payout. You're primarily using the site for watching videos, which don't pay very much per view, mind you, and that means that it'll take a while before you hit that threshold. For those who frequently shop online and don't mind taking surveys, hitting that $30 benchmark will come much faster. Number 4. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is one of the bigger online survey sites. It provides the opportunity for users to watch a short video and then complete a simultaneous survey. However, there are a limited number of these types of surveys, so it's a good site to sign up for and then monitor for high-paying opportunities. In other words, they don't have the large inventory that a site like Swagbucks offers, which means you probably won't have videos to watch daily. But when video surveys are available, they tend to be among the better paying options on this list. Apart from that, Vindale is known for long-form surveys, some of which can pay up to $50 upon completion. This makes it easier to hit their rather high $50 minimum payout threshold. Vindale doesn't have a standalone app, but its mobile-optimized website allows you to watch videos on both your desktop and your smartphone. Number 3. MyPoints. MyPoints pays you in points for watching videos, taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. Your points are redeemable for gift cards, PayPal money, and even travel points. The site's minimum withdrawal is around $3 depending on the option you choose, which isn't too difficult for most users to hit, given the variety of ways there are to earn on the platform. It's worth noting that MyPoints has 2 separate apps, including the main MyPoints mobile app and Daily Scoop, which is devoted entirely to video content. Unfortunately, Daily Scoop is only available for Android devices, and some reviewers have reported that it doesn't always have a full inventory of videos. You can earn a $10 sign-up bonus by spending at least $20 through the MyPoints cashback shopping portal. Number 2. Fusion Cash. It's actually very easy to sign up for Fusion Cash. Once you sign up, you'll get a $10 sign-up bonus just for joining. Like many of the other sites mentioned before, you can make money not only by watching videos, but also by taking surveys and completing a bunch of other get-paid-to tasks. Fusion Cash is one of the smaller sites on this list, and it has mixed to below average reviews from users. For example, it obtained a 3.1 rating on Trustpilot on a 1 to 5 scale and received an F rating from the BBB. One of the most common user complaints is that your earnings expire if you don't cash them out within 180 days of being credited to your account. Since the site's minimum withdrawal is relatively high at $25, there is some risk that you may not be able to earn enough money to cash out within that window. If you do, you'll have the choice of getting paid via paper check, direct deposit, or PayPal. Number 1. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen, the well-known company that provides TV viewership rating, gives you an easy way to make money by watching your favorite TV series or anything else you want online. It's one of the best stagnant income apps. You can make up to $50 per year just by downloading the app and then using your smartphone as usual. What's nice about the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel is that you don't have to change your viewing habits. Unlike some of the other options mentioned previously, which often make you watch ads or other sponsored content, you get to choose what to watch, whether that's YouTube or Netflix on the news. There are no explicit requirements, and getting set up is a breeze. Just create a username and password, provide some basic information about yourself, and install the app. In addition to the $50 annual payout, participating in the program makes you qualified for periodic sweepstakes. Each month, the company gives away a $10,000 split between 400 users with a grand prize of $1,000. One thing to note is that participating in the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel means you're sending the company some of your anonymized browsing data. After all, that is what they're paying you for. According to their FAQ page, that data includes the URL address you went to, how long have you been on the URL, general computer and/or mobile device activity. Anonymized means that your name, IP address, and other identifying information are stripped from the data. In other words, the company will be able to see what URLs you visited, but it won't know that you visited them. Also, Nielsen doesn't collect user IDs or passwords. This brings us to the end of our video. So, what do you guys think? Let us know everything in the comments section below, and lastly, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this going forward. And with that, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now!